on the beautiful new marina in Gouna, and I'm here with Francesca. Hi Francesca, welcome to Hugh and I. You've invited us to Yacht Club, which you're the manager of. Tell me a little bit more about the place.
The place is open since the 17th of November. We make a very nice lounge party, and now the place is growing up.
It's very exclusive, isn't it? There's not everyone can come here. Is that right? You need to own a boat? Is that true?
Yeah, this is right. This is a place, it's a yacht club, it's exclusive just for boat owners.
So this is very unique, isn't it, to Egypt?
Yeah, this is a unique place. This is the first yacht club in the Red Sea.
What can people expect from their membership here?
People can expect from the membership, we are going to organize catering to their own boats. We can organize here a sunset party. We are going to organize fishing competition, sailing competition, boat show.
Okay, cool. Does it matter how big the boat is, how small?
No, it doesn't matter really. But you have to own a boat.
Okay, that helps me out.
You just spend on the food.
Tell me about who takes care of the food here. Is a special man's name?
He's taking care of the food, Bart van der Lee. We have a special chef from Holland. We took him from a Michelin star restaurant.
Okay, very good. And what have we got here?
Afternoon amuse to start the lunch with, which goes very well with the champagne and strawberries. It's a cold cucumber soup with marinated tuna from the Red Sea, olives, chili and ginger.
Wow, sounds good.
Here it's about olive oils, nice products, freshness, not so much about quantities, but you eat more courses, and it has to look good, but especially it has to be super fresh. So for dessert we have marinated pineapple and strawberry with 72% araguani chocolate ganache.
So is this a dish you can typically find on a menu here?
It's usually not on the menu. This is one of the dishes I invented for one of our clients, a boat dealer in Gouna.
Well, thank you, Francesca. It's been lovely being here. I'm going to go and do a few more shootings with Hugh and I. Then I'll get a boat and I'll come back and have some more.
Susie, you're welcome anytime.